Hey, my beautiful friends, welcome. This is our somatic exercises for those of you who have some neck and shoulder pain. This will be a treat. Bring your hands to your heart. Maybe set an intention for your day, for your practice. Okay, now drop your hands down onto your thighs, and then you're going to take your right arm up, grab onto the back of your skull, and gently guide your head towards your armpit and lift it up. Inhale, take a breath. Exhale, chin towards your armpit and lift it up. Again, inhale, breathe. Exhale, chin towards your armpit and lift it up. Again, inhale, breathe. Exhale, chin towards your armpit and lift it back up. Good. Okay, really gentle here. One more time. And then this time, just stay here and gently press into your hand. Gentle pressure right into the back of your hand, head going into your hand, and then lift up. Okay, release that. Look from side to side. Relax your jaw. Now, same thing again, friends, but this time you're going to bring your chin towards your armpit and then look over towards your left. So your chin goes down and then it rotates towards your left and then back down. And over towards your left and back down. And over towards your left and back down. And over towards your left and back down. Good. Push into the temple, lift up. Look towards center and soften. Soften, just relax. See how everything feels. Relax your forehead. Now flubber your lips. Let out a nice sigh. Now you're going to look towards your left, grab onto the skull bones right in the back of your head, and look down towards your armpit and lift up. Okay, let's do that again. Grab onto the back of your skull, look towards your armpit, and lift up. Look towards your armpit and lift up. And again, down towards your armpit and lift up. Okay, again, not too much here. Just feel a nice sensation. You guide yourself. This time, just push your head gently into your hand. See how that feels? Soften your facial structure and lift it back up. Again, pushing into the hand. Now release, look from side to side. So look to your right and look to your left. Soften your facial structure. Now we're going to move on. You're going to take your hand and you're going to look down and then look over. And down and look over. And look down and look over. Oh. And down and look over. And look down and look over. And lift up. So just tapping into the body, letting it know what feels good, what doesn't feel good. Let it make its own choices. Now let's do that again. We're going to look to the right again. Look down. Look over, look down, and then look up. And again, grab onto the back of the head, look down, look over, look down, and then lift back up. You might feel this in your facial structure, in your jaw. Look down, look over, look down, and then lift up. Okay, now look from side to side. Just notice. Maybe stick out your tongue. Take your lion's breath. And then flubber your lips like a horse. And again, look down. Add that pressure. Look over. And lift up. Look down. Look over and lift up. And again, look down, look over to your right, look back down, and lift up. So just blubber your lips like a horse. Now, friends, take the hands behind your head, right near the nape of your neck. Drop your head down and lift and lower, 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 and lift and lower. Now lift the right arm up, twist right. Feel that. See where you feel it in your obliques, in your lats, in your belly. Come back down, drop the arm. Do that again. Lift, twist, come back to center, and lower down. One more time. Right arm up, right elbow up, twist, come back to center, and lower down. Now come on up, and before we do the other side, just look from side to side. Notice any sensations you feel in the back of your neck and your jaw. And remember, the body has what's called tensional integrity. So it's tensegrity. So you might feel it someplace else in the body. And that's perfectly normal. That's wonderful, okay? So take your hands behind your head, drop back down, left elbow lifts, and look. Come back to center. And again, left elbow lifts and look. Come back to center. And again, left elbow, lift and come back down. Okay, now we're going to go down, lift, twist, and lift back up. And again, go down, lift the elbow, twist, come back, and lift up. And one more time, go down, lift, twist, look down, and come back up. And pause. Okay, right side. We're going to take the hands to the back of your head, drop down, lift the elbow, twist, come back down, drop the elbow, and lift up. And again, let's drop down, lift the elbow, twist right, come back center, drop the elbow, and lift. Now one more time on the right side. Ready? Nice and slow. Gently drop it down, lift the right elbow, twist, come back center, lower the elbow, and lift up. Okay, take a twist to your left. Pause here, breathe, look up and look down. Look up and look down. Look up and look down. Come to center. Change sides, friends. Go over to your right. Look up and look down. And look up and look down. And look up and look down. And come back to center. Bring your hands to your heart. Roll the shoulders back. Hands come to your third eye. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste, 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 my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a beautiful day.